case I didn't show you before, there's Waves. Reason this whole channel exists. That dog right there. Sweetest, kindest soul on the planet. Waves! You say hi? Oh, there he is. There he go. Oh, hi. Waves loves the beach too. But I think he's ready for adventure. Just struggling with myself. What do you think, Waves? Say hi to everybody. Look at that face. Is he not the cutest dog in the whole entire world? What do you think, Waves? Look at that face. Is it time for an adventure? Is it past time for an adventure? Bye, y'all. Thanks for all the advice. Comment below, like, and share.